Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming slot availability and resource access. Open the loadout menu, select slot 1, then immediately assign your AR as primary. This reserves the primary weapon. Once done, use a weapon token or XP to unlock the SMG blueprint in your armory. Make sure to save changes before backing out. You do this to bypass class restrictions and reserve the secondary slot, so you can pair both weapons without losing progression or wasting a slot. Now you add the SMG as your secondary and tailor attachments for close-range synergy. You should prioritize optics and reload speed that don't conflict between weapons. Once done, pick perks that support both gun types, like an armor/ghost mix or fast hands. Make sure to equip field upgrades and gas masks if needed for the map. Afterward, verify ammo types and firing modes so you don't run into compatibility issues mid-game. This step optimizes combat transitions. Finish by saving and testing the loadout in a short match to validate ergonomics and handling. Pay attention to recoil patterns, hip fire, and aim down sight speed. Make small attachment swaps between rounds to refine. If the SMG fails to equip, don't re-roll everything. Restart the game, clear temporary cache, and reassign the SMG to the secondary slot, then save again. This troubleshooting step fixes most sync glitches and prevents lost time during ranked or tournament play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.